Hello there, a little magic today, just like from the outer with wild imagination, straight to you. So some of the Polish friends and other people asked me recently about a certain ritual that it was passed to me by my dear astrologist who is not on earth anymore, but she was a lovely person and she uh, told me about a certain ritual or certain thing to do that everyone can do it, everyone can paint it, and I did it for you. So if someone wants to, I will pass this, I will put it on Facebook and on YouTube so you can download it, you can save it, print it, put your picture on it, and let it serve you only in good, with good intentions. And this one is based more on the belief that the uh, protons and electrons, like we are sort of like a battery, like we also perceive magnetic fields, we are having our own magnetic field, and the pluses are not good for us and the minuses are very good for us. So it's like, I will show you, I will present you this. So I painted this recently for everyone who wants to try it out, how it works, and just reminding you this is pure magic. So with halfly seriously, halfly with the imagination, see how it works on your subconscious mind, see how you feel it. It's a 12 arrows and the pluses are outside of the ball of the circle. This is representing you. So here you can put your picture in it. And all the arrows with the pluses are going outside. So all the negativity or anything you don't want or something you would like to say goodbye to is going out of your system. Simply as that. And you can put it on your wall. If you do work according to Feng Shui, you can also check out which directions Pakua, according to Pakua, you can see that in the internet, which is good for you, what directions, and you pick one and put it right there. See how it works. I connected that because some of you know I love runes, as they are behind me, and also Tolkien tree that is also behind me. So I connected that. Some of you may wonder why S, and this is good. This is not what some of the people in the history with the letter H, and I'm not talking about Harry Potter, did, because these are just the tools. So you can use it depending on your intentions. And this is S right here, Sovillo, and there is a double Sovillo. You can even, if you look very closely, I think this is Beorg, also for the new beginnings and nutrition and health. Eifas, this is that little M that is coming here. Ingvas, this one is for the protection. You see this X here, that's Gebo, it's a gift. And some of you, these are not horns, just so you know, this is not other types of rituals. I just love spirals. So this creature here with an expansion to the sides, it is representing the connection with the cosmic forces, so you can better be connected with the universe. So that's what it is. This is my interpretation, painted with my intention. Now, some of you know how the intention work psychologically. Please remember, we are talking from the outer perspective and magic. So take it halfly seriously. Maybe it serves good to your subconscious mind, and halfly with a smile. It's healthy. So long time ago, some of you know that already, I received a talisman from the shaman, and I think I talked about it a little bit more in this video that I also recommend you to watch about talismans and amulets and a little bit about runes, and this is in my playlist, so please check it out. And he gave me talisman to he gave me the amulet for protection. It was a tooth from the bear. It was big like that, and the intention and the protection was, if it's used with a good intention, it's going to work. If it's going to be used with the bad intention to damage someone, do some harm, this amulet will destroy itself. I say, okay, no problem, I take it. So for this painting, I do the same. Anybody who's downloading that, let it serve only with a good intention. If you want to use it in a negative sense, it will destroy itself. That's my protection spot. So I went to New York that time, and I had a feeling of this item on me, especially when I was going like in a subways underground, and because I'm feeling person, I sense the weird sort of things, like someone say ghost or energies and weird stuff, and I felt the vibration of that amulet on me stronger. And this shaman told me also, if I think that it's okay for me, it's my will to pass this amulet to someone else, to share it, to let it serve someone else for a certain period of time or whatever, then I can do that. So I really felt for someone, and I gave it to someone that time, and I came back home, and some months later this amulet wasn't sent to me, and it was in pieces, so it looked like someone took a hammer, really hammered it very hard. And I was wondering what really happened, so I tried to dig, and of course nobody wants to tell you, right? But I find out that it was used in the competition, so this is what happened. I don't know how exactly that happened, but obviously it hit the floor very hard. These are just stories. These are just things connected with synchronicity in our life, and our intention, and our telepathic mind, and how things are not local. So this deep part of psychology plus shamanism, I like to take into account not only in my life, and these are just gadgets, like items. Of course, if your mind is on a certain level, you don't need any items, you don't need any runes, you basically don't need anything. And some yogis, as I wrote in some of the scripts, they could take a mud and make a food from it, and they were well nutritioned. Whether it's true or not, I will leave that to you, but basically following the concept, just like in a quantum physics, that everything is indeed energy. So those symbols, runes, tarot, they were created. For me, it's a form of also decoration. I like them. I like to surround myself with the beauty, with the colors. It works good on my psyche. So if that also helps you, assists you in your life to feel better, to feel safe, protected, and also drawing a positive thought to your life, therefore a better quality of life, you can download it, you can use it, you can put it as a decoration out there. And I also have a little drawing for now that I will also share with the other way round. So the minuses, you can also paint it, but I will post it, are going outside. So the arrows are going outside of the ball, and they are directed also, inside, and the minuses are inside the ball, because this is what you want. You want the positive qualities, and minuses are good for us. So these qualities you want to have in your system, to stay healthy, prosperous, and so on. Stop saying all that. I'm wishing you great day, and all the best. May the force be with you in these current times even more. Bye bye.